Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at the PlayStation app. First of all, you would like to download the app from App Store or Google Play Store, then click on the app. They will ask you to sign in, but here I'm already signed in. So once you go in, this is what it looks like. It will show you your friends playing, your profile. You can look at notifications here. To go back, just click on the bottom left back button. You can look at settings over there, and on top right you can look at who's online, all your friends, and who's offline. Then top left is your messages. You can look at that. And then recently played, you can look at your trophies by scrolling down and the games you're playing. You could explore stuff, so it's like kind of feed. You could scroll, look at updates. And let's go up, and then the bottom middle is the PlayStation Store, where you can get games and look at deals and whatnot. And next to that is game library. You can look at your games that you have and click on the game. You can add to cart if you're gonna buy, and yeah, that's your library. And then lastly, you can search, which is the very right, and that's the basic of how to use the PlayStation app. Thank you for watching.